This is Rocco the Retro Repairman coming at you with another video. This one's entitled Dancing James Brown Exploded Battery Repair. In my previous video segment we had a James Brown dancing figurine and his batteries were exploded. So I'm going to tell you how to neutralize any battery acid ever found in any abandoned toys or electronics. You're going to need some household white vinegar here. It's not focusing in on the distilled part. And some cotton swabs. And what you're going to do is you want to remove any dead batteries, exploded batteries first, and then any of the debris that you could loosen up and move out. Then you're going to dip your Q-tip in, or your cotton swab, in your white vinegar and just wipe freely any of the free built up battery acid. And what that's going to do is neutralize it. It should turn blue, like the color of this box, like a sky blue. Anyways, as you could see here, got my James Brown in, put the battery door on, but I'll take one of the batteries out here and you can see. Stop that from rolling. Sorry about, I'm not trying to give you guys motion sickness here. I'm filming on my cell phone, not my GoPro today. But as you can see, it's nice and shiny. I'm going to put this back in. You guys are going to hear James Brown. I just thought this was nifty. And I thank you guys for subscribing. And obviously, Mr. James Brown is feeling much better since he had his batteries fixed. I will catch you guys at Retro World 2016, Wallingford, Connecticut at the Oakdale Theater. I will see you there the 15th and 16th of October for pro tips, handshakes, high fives, and lots of fun. Thanks again, and good night.